Should you refinance your mortgage? This is a question we've been getting more and more frequently as interest rates have come down. But like any good financial planning answer, it depends. It depends on a bunch of different variables, namely, what are the interest rates? So what is your current interest rate? What's the new rate that you might be eligible to qualify for? Secondly, what are your closing costs going to be? How much is it going to cost for you to actually close on the refinanced loan? And finally, how long do you plan to stay in your existing home? Once we have these pieces of information, then we can start putting together a picture and seeing in what cases is this scenario better than that scenario. We like to look at a couple of different ones just to know that, hey, we're probably going to meet somewhere in the middle. The things that we're evaluating when we're reviewing these is how much interest are you going to pay over the remaining life of the loan. So that's really important because as we're paying more and more interest, that means that's money that we're giving to the bank that we don't necessarily need to be otherwise. The next is how long is it going to take for us to earn back how much we've paid in closing costs, right? So if we closed on a loan, but it's going to take us 10 years to earn back those closing costs and we plan to move within 5 years, maybe it's not the best deal. And finally, we also want to include what's your new monthly payment going to be. If your monthly payment is going to drastically change, well, maybe that's not going to work so well when it comes time to cash flow. We want to keep in mind all of these different factors when we're evaluating the plan, figuring out what makes the most sense for you and your family, and help give you the best answer possible. So if you think your current mortgage rate is high, or it's been some time since you evaluated your loan, give us a call, let us know. We'd love to sit down, help you figure it out, and figure out what makes the most sense for you and your family. Thanks.